हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम टू टुडेज वीडियो। और जैसे कि आपने टाइटल देख लिया है, एंड आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइस आर सुपर 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 एक्साइटेड बिकॉज I do these kinds of no glue no borax series very less on my channel and you guys really like them. That's why I make them. I know this is pretty like useless, like most of those recipes are pretty useless, but some of them are literally amazing and literally gold. तो आप उनसे अपने घर पे literally slime बना सकते हैं, like एक असली functional slime. So I thought that would be a great idea for today's video since you guys have been requesting it from a lot of time. So मेरे amazing fantastics ने पिछले वीडियो के कमेंट्स में मेरे को बहुत अच्छे अच्छे रेसिपीज दिए एंड आई हैव चूजन 2 of those recipes from 2 of my fantastics. So yeah, let's see कि आज हम लोग किसको शाउट आउट देने वाले हैं एंड कौन सी रेसिपीज ट्राई होने वाली है. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. And make sure we guys need to reach 50k. It is our goal. I am telling again and again. So most of you guys अब तक सबको पता चल गया होगा कि 50k goal is on. And please make sure we guys reach to 50k until my birthday, which is on 23rd April. So please everyone, let's get 50k. I know we are a strong family and we can do this. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you guys are watching this video. And yeah, fantastics, without talking any much more, let's get started with the video. So, अब जो हम लोग फर्स्ट नो ग्लू नो बोरॉक्स रेसिपी ट्राई करने वाले हैं वो रेसिपी है फ्रॉम शाहिदा अख्तर सुमी एंड द my recipe is we need cornstarch and conditioner and that's all. Big fan, love you so much, thank you. I love you too, Shahida. Thank you so much for your love. And yeah, so she just given 2 ingredients which are like cornstarch and conditioner. So we need to make it work, and I have seen this recipe before but never tested on my channel. So yeah, fantastics, let's do this and let's test it today. So let's take our bowl. So here is our bowl and spoon. So let's take some cornstarch. I am using this cornstarch. और मैं आपको नीचे लिंक में दे दूंगी Amazon लिंक्स अगर आपके पास कॉर्नस्टार्च नहीं है. आई विल मेंशन एवरीथिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, सो मेक श्योर यू गाइस चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन. एंड नाउ लेट्स ऐड कॉर्नस्टार्च. लेट्स गो. सो लेट्स टेक सम कॉर्नस्टार्च, जितनी हमें स्लाइम बनानी है. आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ. आई थिंक दिस विल बी ऑल राइट. हम लोग कंडीशनर लेंगे, लिटरली कोई भी कंडीशनर यूज कर सकते हैं आप. सो आज के एपिसोड की खासियत ये है कि वी हैव ओनली 2 इंग्रेडिएंट्स. सो मैं आपको जो भी स्लाइम बता रही हूँ उसमें 2 इंग्रेडिएंट्स ही है. एंड या, आई होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस वीडियो. मेक श्योर यू गाइज लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड गिव दिस वीडियो 1500 likes. If you guys completed 1500 like goal, then I will make a part 2 of this video. If you guys want part 2, make sure you guys give 1.5k to this video. So yeah, let's see. And this is the conditioner that I'm using, which is Dove conditioner. और आप कोई भी conditioner use कर सकते हैं. हमें शाहिदा ने कोई भी conditioner specifically नहीं बोला, so I'm using this one. So let's add our conditioner. धीरे धीरे, and I am taking this much first. So let's mix now. I hope this like literally works क्योंकि मेरा काफी सारा कंडीशनर वेस्ट हो जाएगा. I know cornstarch and water works, but conditioner I have never listened before, and it does smell very nice because of the conditioner, and I hope it works as well. So अभी तो ये डोई कंसिस्टेंसी में आ रहा है. लेट्स सी. So let's add a little bit more conditioner. This recipe does require a lot of conditioner. So make sure you guys have a lot of conditioner at home. क्योंकि वरना हमारी स्लाइम नहीं बनेगी अच्छे से. And now as you guys can see, if we add a little bit too much, then our slime will be a little bit watery. So now we need to add a little bit of cornstarch. So ऐसे ही हमारी रेसिपी वर्क करती रहेगी. हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐड करते रहना है. एंड जब तक ये डो कंसिस्टेंसी में नहीं आता तब तक हमें कॉर्नस्टार्च, एंड अगर ये ज़्यादा ड्राई है तो शायद आई थिंक वी नीड टू ऐड more conditioner. So yeah, let's add a little bit of more cornstarch because this is just too light. So yeah, let's see, and let's add a little bit of cornstarch. I think this should be enough. Now it is getting a little bit thicker, as you guys can see. It's not that watery now, but it's still very sticky, you guys. It's not like a dough form yet, like a butter slime kind of consistency. It's not there yet. Little bit more. Now it is coming together a little bit, like it's still pretty, sticky, but I think now it is a bit okay. So you should take a little bit of cornstarch in your hands and do like this when we kind of make rotis, something like that. And we need to, I guess we need to knead it. It is still pretty wet, you guys, but let's see. It is a very nice consistency. It is pretty soft, to be honest. You guys can see it is very very soft, and oh my god, the consistency is very nice. It is almost like an air dried clay, and this feels very very nice, you guys. Wow, can you see that? This feels amazing. You guys can see, like, this is just so satisfying. Oh my god. Let me take it in my hand and let me show you guys how soft this is. Can you guys see like how soft and glossy this looks? Oh my god, you guys, it's just amazing. You guys can see how soft this is. Oh my god, you need to feel this. Like, guys, this is amazing. It is super fluffy and like super creamy butter slime. Amazing. It is like super holdable. It doesn't have a lot of residue in your hands as well, and this works, guys. This is not like those Clinic Plus weird recipes, but this is like literally amazing recipe which actually works. I have made this in front of your eyes, and you guys can see how nice and how soft this looks. It feels super soft as well. And it is kind of like a moisturizing slime. It is like super conditioning, probably because it has conditioner, but yeah, this feels super good, you guys. And I give this recipes a 10 out of 10 because I've never felt this texture before. So let's go and let's see our next recipe now. So fantastic, now we are making our second recipe, which is from Pratishta's Creations. So the recipe is, please try this recipe, peel off mask, Boro Plus, mix until it activates. So now Pratishta, it is a very nice and very amazing recipe, I know about this recipe, and yeah, I already knew, but mostly जो मेरे fantastics यहाँ पे गलती करते हैं, like all, मतलब mostly everyone, कि you guys doesn't mention baking soda. So हम लोग बोरिक एसिड से भी स्लाइम बना सकते हैं, बोरो प्लस में जो होता है और जो कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस सॉल्यूशन में होता है, जो आई ड्रॉप्स में होता है. We can make slime from boric acid, but to make boric acid slime, we need to have like baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda. So make sure you guys check out this video if you guys want to know about it fully. Suggest you to watch because उस वीडियो में आप लोगों को अच्छे से समझ में आएगा मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ. So make sure you guys always remember that. So yeah, let's just now test our recipe. I know this is a very good working recipe. So yeah, let's see, and let's take our bowl first. सो हियर इज़ आवर बोल। और मैं जो आज यूज़ करने वाली हूँ वो है ये फेस पैक। आप कोई भी फेस पैक यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बस वो पील ऑफ फेस पैक होना चाहिए, बिकॉज उसमें आई थिंक उसमें पीवी होता है, सो इट डज मेक स्लाइम. So make sure you guys get any peel off mask. This one, I have this one, so I'm using this one. You don't need to get any charcoal face mask specifically. So I'm going to take this one. Oh my god, this already is leaking. Oh my god, I will be right back, you guys. Oh my god, this is open already. We are back with a panic. What is this? But okay, we can manage, I guess. I'm going to cut this part and मैं इसको पूरा इसमें डाल लूँगी. Now I will cut here. It is going to be messy. Oh my. Pour our face mask into here. It is super black. Oh my god. Now I am going to add this much, like a little bit of baking soda in it first. Guys, अब हमारा baking soda अच्छे से mix हो चुका है इसमें, तो now we are going to add our cream जो कि है BoroPlus, and let's see if this activates or not. I think this should activate, but yeah. Let's add this much और इसको अच्छे से mix कर लेते हैं. It does activate like right away, you guys can see. It's such a like amazing activator if you don't have Borox at home. Like literally BoroPlus सबके घर में होता है, and BoroPlus like it is very cheap, so आप इसको बाहर से 10 रुपए में भी खरीद सकते हैं. So it is a no big problem. और peel off mask भी आजकल सबके घर में होता ही है, एंड पील ऑफ मास्क भी बाहर इजीली 10-20 रुपए में मिल जाता है. सो या, यू गाइस कैन सी आवर स्लाइम इज एक्टिवेटेड. यस इट इज. और अब हम लोग इसको थोड़ी देर नील करेंगे. लेट मी शो यू गाइस हाउ दिस लुक्स. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. ओ माई गॉड, कैन यू बिलीव दिस? दिस इज एन अमेजिंग रेसिपी and it cost like less than 30 rupees to make, and it is amazing. Like, you guys can make it. I'm sure you guys can make it. It is super easy, and you guys can have a slime as well. It is a very nice and stretchy slime, and yeah, I really like it. I will give this slime a 9.5 out of 10 because of Miss Ingredient List. So yeah, but overall this is an amazing recipe. I love you all, and thank you so much for giving me amazing recipes. If you guys want a part 2, make sure you give this video 1.5k likes, and I will make a part 2 very soon. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I am putting a lot more content there soon, so make sure you guys don't miss out, and follow me on both of my Instagram, Farhana Nuzhat and Fantastic Farhana, for amazing content. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.